Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest, how to fix or how to solve Pinterest keyboard not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest keyboard not working, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info, you will go to click for stop, then we click storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.